Hello guys, I am here to show you how to secure your smartphone from virus. First, you open Play Store and type any security apps like 360 Security, CM Security, etc. I will show you how to install 360 Security, the newest model of 2017. It has 4.6 rating and it has also 100 million downloaders. Look at this. So exciting, yeah. This is 360 Security. "360 Security" is a antivirus free app. So you can download it and secure your mobile. Thank you guys. If you are watching my channel for the first time, like it and subscribe it. I am stopping guys. Bye bye.